Current Governor Sindh. Imran Ismail. Who is the current governor of KPK? Shah Farman. Minister of Kashmir Affairs is Ali Amin Gandapur. Which of the following Pakistani women had received UN Human Rights Prize? Malala Yousafzai, Asma Jahangir, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali, Benazir Bhutto. Who chose the name of Pakistan? Chaudhry Rehmat Ali, Attorney General of Pakistan. Anwar Mansoor Khan. Who was the first president of Pakistan? Iskander Mirza. How many bills had been passed by 14th Parliament since June 1, 2013, to May 31, 2018? 136. Prime Minister Imran Khan inaugurated first shelter home in Lahore on _blank. The 10th of November 2018. Dr. Ruth Pfau, a symbol of selflessness and devotion to leprosy patients, passed away at the age of _blank in Karachi. 87. Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir. Raja Farooq Haider. Recently, which airways has announced to resume flights to Pakistan after 10 years? British Airways.